Getting started with the FMH Policyholder Center. Your FMH Policyholder Center account will allow you to do more online, saving time and paperwork, so you can get back to what matters most. To set up your FMH Policyholder Center account, go to fmh.com/policyholder and click the Create Account link. You'll need a few pieces of information to set up your account, including your email, social security number or EIN, and your root policy number. Your root policy number can be requested from your agent or located here on your policy confirmation document. To finish setting up your account, you will need to select your preferred multi-factor authentication method and verify your contact information. For a better mobile experience, you can access your Policyholder Center account through the FMH mobile app. Once in your FMH Policyholder Center account, your dashboard will allow you to quickly find account information, check a claim status, allow agent access, access recent documents, or view personalized important dates. You can also view local market prices, recent FMH news, and the latest price determinations for crop insurance under Price Discovery. You can change the view to past years by selecting the drop-down in the top right. On the left-hand menu, you can navigate to view policy information, documents, personalized important dates, and your claim status. You can also pay your bill and upload precision data for acreage or production reporting and claims. Contact your FMH agent if you have questions about your Policyholder Center account.